Morning, ma'am. Good morning, beta. Good morning, everyone.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, yesterday we have just done till the how to conjugate IR verbs, right?
Yes, we did how to conjugate IR ending verbs. So you got that? You got the concept?
Yes, ma'am.
How IR verbs work? Okay, tell me what is the working of IR verbs? What is the pattern? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, if there is,
No,
ma'am, first
I
we
just want to
conjugate with
know.
IS,
Yes,
IS, IT,
very good.
ISSONS,
Very good.
ISSEZ, and then I think INT.
Yes. ISSENT beta. ISSENT. Okay, that is the working. So I told you to conjugate two other verbs also, that is shwasir and which one? Romplir. Was it Romplir that I gave? I told you
Yes,
to
ma'am.
conjugate these verbs. Did you conjugate them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Click a picture and send it on the class group. I want to see. And those who did not conjugate, look up in the chat box what you have to do. Conjugate the verb finir, shwasir, and romplir. Because we did these three verbs in this chapter. We learned these three verbs. Hurry up and do it. Anyone has sent?
Ma'am, please wait. Ma'am, I have sent.
Done? Have you done?
Ma'am, I have sent.
You have sent. Okay, let me see beta. Where have you sent? To me personally? Now see, beta, this mistake is, I have often seen children doing this mistake. When I tell you to conjugate a verb, what it means? You have to conjugate one verb along with all the subject pronouns. Now what you have written when I talk about these three verbs, let's just pick one verb first, that is finir. How are you going to conjugate it with here? With here, it
Ma'am, should I send on group?
yes, beta, send it on the group. Je finis.
Okay, ma'am.
Then tu finis. What is the working? First, we have to keep the working of the verb in our mind. The working goes is, it, ISSONS, ISSEZ, and ISSENT. This is the working of the verb. The conjugation is when you conjugate any verb with all these subject pronouns. That is called a conjugation. What you have said is entirely wrong. It is complete. It is incomplete. Actually, it is not wrong. It is incomplete. Fini, then finissant, finissez, and finis in the end. Written?
Ma'am, just a second.
Ma'am, I have sent all the three words on the
Let
group.
me see. Very nice. Very good. Very good. This is how it is supposed to be. Now you get full marks. I want all of you to send. Only Avnish has sent it so far. Everybody send and then we'll move ahead. Hurry up and do it, beta. What's wrong?
Ma'am, please
Oh,
wait for 2
Shivesh.
minutes. I am sending.
Yes. Om Shivesh Pranjali. Pranjali never replies. I have never seen Pranjali replying in class. Zainab, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm sending.
Yes.
Ma'am, I've sent you.
Yes, you have sent, beta. Very nice. You have sent the correct conjugation of one verb. Now, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to conjugate all these three verbs. Finir, remplir, and choisir.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am, I'm on the third one.
Good, beta, good.
Ma'am, the third word is finish.
Yes, remplir, finir, and choisir. These are the three verbs.
Okay, ma'am.
Mama, I have sent you on the group.
Okay, Shivesh. Fini. Perfect. Okay, now see, in this word, this is why I made you write it. In choisir, how do you write it, beta? How do you write it? Just look here on the board. Je, the verb is this, choisir. Can you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Choisir. Now, what we are supposed to do when we conjugate, we are talking about IR ending verbs, right? So that's the radical. What we do, we have to remove the IR part and then conjugate it. So it becomes CHOISIS. And look at your spellings, what you have done. Isn't it wrong?
Yes, ma'am. Wrong.
This is how it will be done. The entire conjugation, the entire verb goes wrong, beta, like this, if you do. What about om? I haven't received from you, beta.
Ma'am, I have sent.
You've sent? Yes, om has sent. Shwazi, again, om, the first word in Shwazi is wrong. Very good, Zainab Fatima. Very nice. Now see,
Ma'am, I have sent the other two.
other two also. What you have written? Finish. Huh? FINIS, that's all. Yes,
Sorry, ma'am.
yes. Rest all is correct. Very good. Romplis, romplise, romplisson, rompli, all correct. Now this om beta. Let's talk about the romplir verb. अब romplir में क्या किया आपने लास्ट में ILS और ELLES के साथ rompli SSENT and look at the spellings that you have written. Om, rectify your mistake, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Whose is correct?
Ma'am, Avnish.
Avnish. Yes, Avnish, yours was correct, beta. Okay, now coming on to the next part of this chapter, that is page number 25. The first exercise, Cochet la bonne réponse.
Ma'am, please wait a second.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you please send the PDF of chapter 2?
Okay, beta, I'll send. Just wait.
Ma'am, which page number?
Beta, page number 25.
Ma'am, I have done the first question of page number 25.
Okay, beta, good. Now let me make PDF. It's a long chapter. I get 2 classes with you in a week, and with 8th A, I just get 1 class. That is a combined class along with yours. Now in the next class, I'm going to repeat the same thing with 8th A because 8th A needs practice of this thing. All IR ending verbs. Okay, I have sent the PDF, but it is not the complete one because it is taking a lot of time. In next class, I'm going to send you the exercises that are left. There are still 4 more pages to be sent. Okay, everybody open your cameras now. Now let's see what happened there at the cafeteria. What is the first exercise? It is Cauchy Le Bon Réponse. You all remember we read this passage yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
This chapter yesterday. Now this chapter is about the cafeteria, where Anish, Manuel, and who is the girl?
Caroline.
Caroline were there. Okay, let me share screen. Yes, here it is. Okay, the first one. Pick the correct option. Anish A. Manuel won. Now where? Want au cinema?
cafeteria.
À la cafeteria, à la maison.
Ma'am, B cafeteria.
Ma'am, B.
Cafeteria, à la cafeteria. Then, second one, la cafeteria.
Ma'am, A.
A grande, a petite. Okay, it is big. The cafeteria is big.
A grand.
Manuel Schwazi. What does Manuel Schwazi? What does Manuel choose to eat?
Ma'am, C. Chocolate bread.
Yes, very nice. Un pain au chocolat. And the last one, à la cafeteria, il y a des livres et des cahiers ou des gâteaux et des bonbons.
Ma'am, fourth. B.
In a cafeteria, okay, it means in a cafeteria, there are books and copies or cakes and sweets.
Ma'am, cakes and sweets.
Cakes and sweets.
Very nice. Now, next. Complétez avec un mot du texte, which means complete with a word of the text. Now we have to pick a word from this text. Les enfants dash les devoirs. You all know what is les enfants, right? Each one of you know? Enfant is called what? No one is.
Ma'am, children.
Yes, children.
Children.
Enfant is children. And what do enfant do? Les devoirs. What is devoir? For this, you need to know what devoir is. Anyone knows what devoir is?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Devoir is homework. You try to do this exercise on your own. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Okay? You don't know any word? Ask me. The children dash the homework. Now, what will come in this dash? You have to pick a word from the text. Will you be able to do it?
Ma'am, we'll try.
Yes, try. The children dash the homework. Finish the homework. Okay, I'll help you out in this thing, children. I'm going to translate all the sentences for you first. Okay, then you can look for words from the text. Ma chambre est dash éclair. My room is dash and clear. My room. Chambre is room. Elle dash la tasse et elle boit. La tasse. And she drinks. She, okay. She dash. La tasse is, I think, something to eat or drink. Something to drink. Tasse. Now let me find what a tasse is. It's given in afternoon. Okay, it's not given. The cup. She dashed the cup and she drinks. Tas is a cup. Then, les filles dash à la maison à 5 heures. The girls dash to the house at 5 o'clock. Le dash apporte les plats. The dash brings the plates. Okay, now do it.
Ma'am, I have done all except third one.
Ma'am, I have done.
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, but the third one I didn't understood.
Okay, now see the first one. What will come in the blank in the first one?
Ma'am, finish it.
Ma'am, finish.
Finis. It will better. See, speak it correctly. Les enfants finissent les devoirs. We are talking about many kids, so it will be conjugated according to ILS, right? Les enfants. The first
ma'am.
one goes. I hope you have written this spelling only. Finis. This is what you have written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma chambre est dash éclair. What is your chambre? What have you written? My room is dash and dash.
Ma'am, grand.
Grand. Very good. My room is big and
Clean.
clean. Then the next one is just a minute. Elle dash la tasse et elle boit. She dash the cup and she drinks.
Ma'am, it can be choose.
No, she chooses the cup and drinks. No, not choose. She fills the cup. What do? You fill your glass and then you drink from it. She filled the cup.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
she drank. Rempli. Elle remplit la tasse et elle boit. Okay. Then, les filles dash à la maison à 5 heures.
Ma'am, want.
Okay.
VONT.
Yes, the girls go to the house at, very nice. It can be this also, at 5 heures. And there is one more word. You can use that also. Well, moi is also correct. They go to the house or they eat in the house. Mange. Correct? Then, le dash
Okay, ma'am.
apporte les plats. Le dash apporte les
Ma'am,
plats.
the server.
Very nice. Le serveur. SERVEUR.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Next one.
Ma'am, done.
Trouver le contraire. Now what you have to do, you have to find the opposites. It is also very simple. To find the opposites, first you need to know the meaning of these words that are given. Do you know? Just try it on your own.
Ma'am, the second one means boy.
The second one, what? Second one? Petite. Are you asking for the second word, that is petite, beta?
Ma'am,
Petite means small, something that is small. What is commencer? Commencer means
Start.
to start something. And dehors means outside. Outside. Will you be able to find the opposites of these?
Ma'am, I have find out first and second.
First and second. Try to find for the third also, beta. Anyone who could find out? Yes? No?
Ma'am, Om is not in the meeting.
Om is not in the meeting, beta. He must have left. Okay, listen, children. What did I say? What does dehors mean? Dehors means outside, right? Now, do you find
Yes,
any
ma'am.
word? Don't you find any word in the text that is that means inside?
Can we write in?
Is it given in the text? If it is given, yes, you can write. That will be considered correct. If it is not given, you can't write. But I can find a word that is given.
Ma'am, DANS means in.
Yes, DANS means in. DANS is given in this text.
Yes, ma'am.
Where? Which line?
I'm in the fourth line. Fourth. No, I'm sorry, third.
Third line. Caroline A, okay, is already in the cafeteria. Yes. Dehors and don is inside. Dehors and don. Petite, grand. And the first one, commencer. What have you written of commencer?
I'm finished.
Finir. It will be finir, beta. Why? Because commencer is given in its infinitive form. So we have to give the opposite also in the infinitive form. Correct?
Okay.
So it is going to be finir. Then, now this one, now you have to find the reply of this one yourself. Répondez. Que mange Caroline? What does the question mean of the fourth one? See, look at the fourth exercise. Que mange Caroline? What does it mean? What does it mean? What does
Ma'am,
Caroline?
mange is eat.
Yes. What does Caroline eat? Now, Caroline eats what? Caroline mange. Now, what did she order?
Ma'am, lemonade.
Yes. Limonade, and what?
Frites.
Des frites. So the answer is Caroline mange des frites et une limonade. She orders one lemonade and des frites. So let's just write what she eats. Let's not write about what she orders, because lemonade is not eaten. So let's just write it simply. Caroline mange des frites. Correct? This question you're supposed to do in your copies, children. Write the question also and write the answer also.
Okay, ma'am.
Now listen to the second question also, because the class is about to get over. Then you can keep writing. Les enfants, comma, the children. Quand mange-ils bien? Anyone can understand this question? Now
No, ma'am.
what does the word quand mean? Quand means when. When mange-ils, they eat well. The children, when do they eat nicely? It is given in the chapter. When do they eat nicely? Ils mangent plus volontiers à la maison pendant le dîner. This complete line is going to be the answer. The second last line.
Okay, ma'am.
Ils mangent, or you will write les enfants mangent plus volontiers à la maison pendant le dîner. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Now write it.